Hi, this is Luke, and this is using UFX Reverb from UJAM to get unique sounds fast. UFX Reverb has 10 reverb algorithms, but it also has UJAM's filters and finishers across the back of it for some truly unique sounds. Here I have an electronic track that's sounding pretty dry, but as soon as I bring in UFX Reverb, I get something with loads more movement, interest, and originality. On drums, I'm using a classic non-linear reverse reverb flavour, and I'm also using the megaphone filter as well. So my different algorithms are just in here. 10 of them to choose from, and I have some familiar looking controls for reverb decay and size depending on the algorithm that I have loaded up, as well as pre-delay. Got this cool freeze function as well. And my filter control just gives me an amount. Very simple, very intuitive. And then again, I've got a drop down with all the different options here, loads to choose from. On my sequence, I'm using some spring as well as the tube filter for a bit of resonance. But I'm also using the finisher, and this time is fleeting preset is really doing it for this particular sound, completely transforming it and giving it some stereo interest. Absolutely love that, and it modulates in a really analog type way as soon as I move this control around with the audio playing. Loving that, and loads of different options as well, just under these subheadings. On lead, I'm using a send and return type setup, and I'm actually using a pre-fade send here so that I have a lot more control over what's happening with my effects. Again, a great way to stereoize mono sources as well. But what I'm really enjoying on UFX Reverb is the surprise button. So I can have a small surprise or a big surprise, and all I have to do is press the button until I get something I love the sound of. But for now I'm going to go back to my slicer, and when I put all of my instances together, they sound like this. that's using UFX Reverb from UJAM to get unique effect sounds fast. To find out more about UFX Reverb, head over to the Production Expert blog.